Hi, and welcome to Cooking in Mike's Backyard. Today I'm going to show you how to smoke turkey legs. They're really easy to make, they're a lot of fun. You just can't beat meat with a handle. So let's do it. Okay, these are some really good turkey legs. Looking forward to cooking them. Now the first thing we need to do is you need to be worried about them drying out, especially the skin. So the trick is to put them in a brine. We're going to mix up a quick, simple brine. We're going to brine them for about 6 hours. You can go as long as 24. It just imparts flavor and keeps that moisture locked in. Now for the brine, what we're going to do is we're going to start out with 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup of kosher salt with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And we're just going to dissolve this in about 2 quarts of warm water. I want to make sure that the salt and the sugar break up as best you can. So once you get your brine mixed up, you just submerge the turkey legs. Now you don't have to worry if they're not all the way covered. I'm going to flip them periodically over the next 6 hours just to make sure it soaks it in, but it's really going to draw in that brine flavor. It's going to be really good. So once you get them covered, just put a lid on the container, put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to put them on the smoker. So the turkey legs have been soaking in brine now for about 6 hours. You just take them out of the brine, let them drip off, get the water off of there, and then just set them in a metal pan. Okay, so after you get them in the pan, you just pat them dry with a paper towel. Make sure to do both sides of the turkey legs. After you've patted them dry, brush one side with olive oil. The olive oil is going to help keep the skin from getting dried out and rubbery. It also allows you to have a bonding agent so the rub hangs on better to the turkey legs. Okay, so after you get the first side done, just flip them over and do the other side as well. All right, so once you get them covered with the olive oil, you're just going to sprinkle on some rub. This is equal parts pepper, salt, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and then about half measure of chili powder. This will give it a good spicy barbecue flavor without overpowering the turkey. All right, once you get the turkey legs covered, we're going to transfer them onto a smoking rack. These guys are big. We're going to have to use 2 smoking racks. We're going to place these in the smoker at 275 degrees for about 2 to 2.5 hours. We're going to smoke them with pecan today. All right, the turkey legs have been in the smoker now for 1 hour and 40 minutes. They're at about 160 degrees. We're shooting for an internal temperature of 175. So I'm going to take a little bit of sauce. What this is my regular barbecue sauce. 1 cup of that with 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. So we're making kind of a vinegary sauce, and we're just going to brush the meat. Just kind of dab on the sauce, soften it up a little bit, add a little bit of vinegar flavor. We're going to do one side, let them rest for another 5 minutes in the smoker, and then flip them over and do the other side. Okay, after you've sauced the second side, put them back in the smoker until they reach an internal temperature of 175 degrees. All right, these are looking really good. We'll let them rest for about 5 or 10 minutes and then take a taste. All right, moment of truth. Those are really good. Right through skin, great flavor. All right. Really good. All right, well, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit like or hit subscribe or both. I'm posting videos as often as I can. Have a good day.